Alright guys, for this craft you're going to need some small condiment containers, some Velcro, a hot glue gun, and some scissors. I picked up all this from Family Dollar. I got it for $2, the containers and the Velcro, and I just thought it'd be a cute little project to keep all my small crafting supplies in. The first step is to cut the Velcro in the lengths that are going to match the bottom of the cups. I did this by lining the Velcro together and then just snipping a piece off, and then I took it and compared it to the bottom of the cup to make sure that it matched in similar size, and then I just took it in reference and cut the rest of the pieces. Once that was done, I separated the pieces of Velcro and then I secured them onto the cup. I used the pointy sides for the bottom and then the fuzzy sides for the tops of the cup. Just make sure that whichever size that you choose is always going to stay on that side of the cup, because you don't want them to mix and match, otherwise they won't stick when you're trying to stack them. Once the glue has dried for several minutes, you can start filling your cups and stack away.